So team, we are doing annual days, we have to dance and everybody should dance, including Sharda ma'am. Sharda ma'am, this year we don't want any excuse, you have to dance whatever it is. Ma'am, you give 100 things to me, I will do it. Certificate for the whole school I will write. I can't dance, ma'am. Try Sharda ma'am at least this year. Oh no, ma'am, I can't dance, ma'am. Come ma'am, we will go for the shopping and all. I will come with you. We will have fun there. Please. उनको exclude कर देते हैं. ठीक है. वनिता, सिंधु एली, सिंधु मैम, जरा wait. Yes ma'am. सिंधु मैम एक थोड़ा change है यार. We have started the script writing. Yes ma'am. Yes, great and sit. So there is a slight change. ठीक है, please परेशान मत होना, ठीक है. Every year we used to include, like whenever we used to do hosting, it's like only in English, right? This year let's include Hindi and Kannada. बहुत मजा आएगा. Really, trust me, it will be very good. And let's make it, मतलब जैसे whenever you guys are conversing, the converse should be in Hindi and Kannada.
Ma'am, Kannada and English I can manage. Hindi not so much, ma'am.
How nicely you
include
speak
करना
Hindi,
है,
यार. No, it is always good. See, when we use mother tongue, we can express it very nicely. And English में it is like not so good. Expression all it will not come so good. But Kannada and Hindi if you include, trust me, it will be very good. क्या एक जैसे ही करते हैं यार हर साल. Let's change this year ना.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Okay.
Okay.
Leela ma'am. Yes ma'am. Please come. Finished your class? Yes. All kids left? Yes. So Leela ma'am, as you know, we have started annual day preparation also. I have few responsibilities for you, and I want you to do it properly without any mistakes.
Sure.
Okay, you have to make collages. For that, every event photos you can take from the Facebook.
Okay.
And nice pictures, it should not be blurred. And then make a collage and show it to Teju.
Sure.
If Teju approves, then it is like okay. If she is rejecting, then you have to make it again.
Okay.
Okay?
I will do.
Ma'am, I will definitely do. Definitely I will do. Okay, make sure that there should not be any mistake.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Definitely I will do. I will finish this week only. Okay?
ತೇಜು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ
ನೋಡೇ
ವಾವ್ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನೈಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡೋ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ಅದು ಮಾಡು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆರ್ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ತನಕ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ okay don't spend too much time on that okay we have other things
I
to
will
do
try my best. Sindhu.
good yes
Rashmi, yeah, Rashmi, that price list is updated.
no ma'am I need 2-3 days more
अरे यार रश्मि, मैंने आपको बोला था ना.
ma'am I told you I have night classes that's why I could not finish it
तो पूरा साल आपने यही बोला है. अभी I'm done. So you have to finish this price list by this week.
okay ma'am I'll try my best and I'll give it to you
Thank you. Thank you. किड्स कॉस्ट्यूम हो गया, टीचर्स कॉस्ट्यूम हो गया, केयरटेकर्स का हो गया. अभी बजट इज इंक्रीजिंग लाइट में, साउंड में और इसमें इट इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड आवर बजट. सो आपके पास इफ यू हैव एनी कांटेक्ट प्लीज गिव मी. वी हैव टू फाइनलाइज. Ma'am, remember I had spoken to you. Few people had contacted me from few different schools regarding the auditorium and other things. So can we go ahead and approach them? Yeah, but first thing you have to ask, they should have capacity of more than 300.
Okay.
What else? Auditorium should have lights and everything, so that there should not be any extra charge on lights and music system. They should have all the these kind of facilities.
मैं पता करके बोलूँ
ठीक है. एक और चीज मैम, मुझे कॉस्ट्यूम का दे दो यार, दे दो साइज. Again they will not give us by 18th. I have given the last date 18 and they have to give us on 18th. Till now I have not received a size of HK kids.
See, who all have confirmed, I will write down the size, okay, based on whatever you have said, and I'm going to share with you today. See, the PPT ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಸರಿಗಿತ್ತು, ಕೊಲಾಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್, ಬಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಲಾಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನಾಳೆ.
ಸರಿ ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್.